Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how to create an account on Reddit. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction as guided. So in order to create an account on Reddit, first of all, make sure that you've installed the application. So in order to install the application, you'll have to head towards your Play Store or an Apple Store, and after that on the search box type in Reddit and then tap on install button right in the corner. So after you're done installing the application, all you have to do is just tap on it or open your Reddit application. So once you open up your Reddit application, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So after that, you'll have to tap on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. And as you tap on it, on the other side, you can see there is an option called sign up and login. Just simply tap on it. So once you tap on sign up and login, you can see right at the bottom there is a pop-up, and over here you have three different methods of creating your account. So you can either continue with your Google, and in case if you're using iOS devices, so then you'll have to tap on continue with Apple, and in case if you want to go with your email address, then you'll have to tap on continue with email. And in case if you already have an account, and all you have to do is just tap on login, which is right at the bottom. Since I want to create my account using my email address, so I'll tap on continue with email. And once you do that, on the other page you'll have to type in your email address. So make sure to enter the correct one. So after you're done entering your email address, so after that type in your username, and once you're done creating your username, next move on with your password. So then make sure to create a strong password. So once you're done entering your personal information, next tap on continue. So over here you'll have to select your gender. So in case if you don't want to do it, just simply tap on skip in the top right corner. So after that you'll have to select on any one of these following options that you're actually interested in, and after that tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. You can see that the account has been created, and in the top right corner of your screen there is your profile icon. So after you tap on it, you have all your information over here. My account has already been set, and here's my username as well. So that is how you can create Reddit account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.